National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southern Tazewell County, northeastern Mason County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 7 miles southwest of Manitou, or 9 miles northeast of Havana, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Manitou around 8:15 p.m. Green Valley around 8:20 p.m. South Pekin around 8:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Tremont, Hopedale, and Mackinac. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 17 and 31. Interstate 74 between mile markers 103 and 105.